As Tom from 500 Days of Summer said, people should be able to say how they feel, how they really feel, without some strangers putting words in their mouths. Well, in this context, he was referring to those mass-produced greeting cards with their generic I love yous and congratulations. We believe your sentiments deserve more than cliches. That's why we're thrilled to introduce our personalized note cards and greeting cards where you can infuse your unique expressions into every word. No more settling for pre-packaged emotions. Now you can create a card that truly speaks to your heart. Whether it's a heartfelt note, a birthday wish, or a simple thinking of you, our variety of note cards awaits your personal touch. Let your words resonate authentically with the recipient and explore the endless possibilities of customized sentiments. Now, without further ado, here are the newest additions to our product catalog, our custom note cards. Introducing our vertical flat greeting cards, the perfect canvas for expressions that emphasize text. These cards are ideal for designs centered around calligraphy, whether it's a meaningful Bible verse, or a line from a favorite song, or a personally crafted one-liner. With the option to incorporate images or portraits, these cards strike a harmonious balance between textual and visual elements, providing a versatile platform for your creative expression. Whether you're sending a heartfelt note or a poetic gem, these cards add a touch of elegance to your words. For designs that capture the essence of picturesque landscapes or carry that postcard vibe, our horizontal flat greeting card are the go-to choice. These cards offer a wide canvas, perfect for incorporating digital watercolor artwork depicting beautiful scenery or any landscape of your choice. Let your creativity flow horizontally as you share personalized messages or convey your sentiments alongside captivating visuals. With these cards, you can transform your well wishes into artistic creations that are not only meaningful but visually stunning. When your messages demand extra space and an artistic flair, our vertical folded greeting cards step up to the occasion. These cards provide ample room for longer messages and allow you to showcase larger artworks. The inner pages, united by a central crease, offer a seamless blend of text and visuals, making them a wonderful choice for personalized greetings with a substantial impact. Whether you're sharing a heartfelt letter, showcasing detailed artwork, or combining both, these folded cards ensure your sentiments unfold beautifully. Discover the versatility of our horizontal folded greeting cards, designed to add an extra dimension to your expressions. Ideal for various occasions, these cards offer creative possibilities for your personalized designs. Consider using the inner pages to present a larger visual impact, utilizing the crease at the center to maximize your artwork's visibility. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or any special moment, these folded cards provide a unique canvas to bring your imaginative ideas to life. Eager to know more about our custom note cards? Check out these details and see what we offer. Our commitment to the environment shines through in every note card. Crafted from eco-conscious materials, our cards boast Forest Stewardship Council and Sustainable Forestry Initiative certifications. These accreditations ensure that the paper used in our note cards comes from responsibly managed forests, promoting sustainability and ethical sourcing. Tailor your order to fit your needs precisely. Whether you're expressing gratitude, sharing moments, or just staying in touch, select from bundles of 10, 30, 50, or 100 note cards. This flexibility ensures you have the right quantity on hand for any occasion, saving you time and effort. Your note card, your choice. Opt for an uncoated finish for a natural, tactile feel, or indulge in the luxurious touch of our superfine 270 grams per square meter white paper. The variety in paper choices lets you tailor the look and feel of your note cards to suit your personal style and the mood of your message. Bring your designs to life with full-color digital printing. Vivid imagery and vibrant colors leap off the note card, creating a visually stunning canvas for your expressions. Whether it's intricate artwork, bold graphics, or heartfelt photographs, our printing ensures that every detail is captured with brilliance. Unleash your creativity with our dual impressions feature. For folded cards, express yourself both on the cover and the inside pages. This allows for a seamless integration of your design, utilizing the entire note card for your message. Non-folded cards offer printing on both the front and back, providing ample space to showcase your artwork, logo, or personalized touch. Ready to craft your own custom note cards, but finding yourself at a creative crossroads? Don't fret. we've got your back. In this section, we'll ignite your imagination with our own personalized note card suggestions that will help you tailor your messages with a touch of uniqueness. Take a nostalgic stroll through the pages of your custom note cards with this design. Transform your note cards into a timeline masterpiece, where each page unfolds a different chapter of your memories. From symbols that represent significant moments to heartfelt text that encapsulates the essence of each memory, this design creates a visual journey that resonates with emotion. It's not just a note card, it's a personalized narrative that brings cherished memories to life, making it a perfect choice for sending messages that are deeply personal and evocative. Infuse your cards with a burst of personality by incorporating a collage of your favorite photos. Whether it's snapshots from vacations, family gatherings, or everyday moments, this design lets you tell a story through images. Each photo becomes a piece of the narrative, making your note cards a personalized keepsake for the recipient. This design adds a touch of warmth and familiarity to your messages, making them not just words on paper, but a visual celebration of shared experiences. This minimalist approach turns your note cards into sophisticated pieces of art. Capture the essence of individuals or moments with fine line drawings that highlight intricate details. The monochrome palette adds a timeless and classy touch, making these note cards suitable for a variety of occasions. Whether you're expressing gratitude, sending well wishes, or simply reaching out, this design brings a refined aesthetic to your messages, creating an impression that speaks volumes with subtlety. This contemporary approach merges the timeless appeal of traditional watercolor with the precision of digital art. Each note card becomes a canvas for vibrant and fluid strokes, creating visually arresting scenes, patterns, or illustrations. The beauty of this design lies in its ability to infuse your message with a sense of creativity and aesthetic charm. Whether expressing gratitude, sending birthday wishes, or conveying sentiments, this transforms your note cards into unique and visually stunning expressions. Whether directed to your dedicated workforce or valued customers, this design allows you to tailor your holiday messages with a professional and personalized touch. You can incorporate your company logo, brand colors, or even a festive office snapshot to infuse note cards with a sense of corporate identity. This makes sending holiday greetings more than a tradition, but also a reflection of your business appreciation and commitment to fostering meaningful relationships. If zodiac signs resonate with you, why not tailor your note cards to each friend's astrological identity? Personalize messages based on their zodiac traits, incorporate relevant symbols, or choose colors associated with their sign. This design adds a thoughtful and personalized touch to your messages, showing your friends that you value their uniqueness. Create a travel-themed note card that takes on the recipient on a visual journey. Use a map as the background, marking significant locations with small illustrations or symbols. Incorporate photos, tickets, or mementos from your travels to tell a story that transcends words. Craft an elegant note card featuring intricate botanical illustrations. Choose a specific flower or plant, or a collection of different botanical elements. This design adds a touch of nature to your card, making them perfect for any occasion from birthdays to thank you notes. Embrace the freedom of abstract art with a design that features expressive brushstrokes, bold splatters, or geometric shapes. This contemporary and artistic approach can evoke different emotions and interpretations, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. For the bookworms and literature enthusiasts, design note cards inspired by favorite quotes, book covers, or literary themes. Incorporate elements like open books, quills, or inkwells to add a touch of literary charm. This design is excellent for expressing sentiments with a touch of intellectual flair. Capture the essence of each season with a series of note cards dedicated to the beauty of nature throughout the year. Use seasonal colors, motifs, and landscapes to convey the spirit of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. This idea is perfect for sending warm wishes tied to specific times of the year. Transform your note cards into a stunning display of wordsmithery with this design. Crafted entirely with beautiful fonts and an array of colors, this design lets the power of words take center stage. Whether it's heartfelt messages, inspirational quotes, or poetic verses, each note card becomes a canvas for elegant and expressive typography. Play with different fonts, sizes, and colors to really evoke the desired tone and emotion. This is perfect for those who appreciate the art of language and want to convey their sentiments with style and flair. Infuse a playful spirit into your note cards with some whimsical doodle design. Unleash your creativity as you adorn each card with charming and quirky doodles. From doodled flowers and animals to abstract shapes and symbols, this design invites you to create a whimsical wonderland on paper. It's an ideal choice for sending cheerful notes, birthday wishes, or just spreading a bit of joy. This design adds a touch of lightheartedness to your messages, turning each note card into a delightful piece of personalized art. Now, when it comes to designing custom note cards, the possibilities are as vast as your creativity. Here are some tips to make the process smooth and enjoyable. The beauty of custom cards lies in the personal touch. Consider incorporating elements that resonate with the recipient or reflect your unique style. From favorite colors to shared memories, personalization adds a special charm. Using design software can significantly ease the creation process. Platforms like Canva provide user-friendly interfaces and a plethora of design elements. Experiment with fonts, colors, and graphics until you achieve the desired look. Once your design is ready, visualize how it will appear on the final product. Awkward Styles offers a free mock-up generator that allows you to see your design on note cards before placing an order. This ensures that your vision aligns seamlessly with the end result. While it's tempting to explore intricate designs, simplicity often speaks volumes. Clean and straightforward layout ensures that your message takes center stage without overwhelming the recipient. But this doesn't mean you can't go all out. The key here is to keep it personal. If playful designs suit your purpose better, incorporate them thoughtfully without clutter. Utilize vibrant colors, whimsical illustrations, or charming typography to infuse character into your custom note card. Remember, simplicity doesn't equate to dullness. It's about presenting your message in a way that captivates and resonates. Whether you're expressing gratitude, sharing joy, or commemorating special moments, our custom note cards provide the canvas for your unique expressions. It's time to let your messages reflect your individuality and captivate your recipients. Start crafting now and open the door to a realm where your words come to life in the most stylish and personal way possible. Awkward Styles is here to turn your creative visions into tangible, unforgettable moments. And that's a wrap. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more print-on-demand tips and tricks. Thank you so much, and see you next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something that we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.